It's your pre-market summary for September 7th, 2022, brought to you by TraderTV.Live. Futures are slightly lower ahead of Federal Reserve beige book due out later today and a recent jump in bond yields leading markets lower to start the week. The Fed's going to give a summary of their economic outlook and conditions at 2 p.m. And several presidents are due to give a little bit of a talk later on in the session. We're expecting Apple to come out with its far out event. That should be a big one. Maybe it can help reverse the trend. 7 days in a row, the NASDAQ has been to the downside. First losing streak of its kind is since 2016. The Dow was also down 0.5% yesterday, and the S&P was down 0.4%. That 10-year Treasury has reached its highest level since approximately June. Individually here, NIO under pressure after reporting their earnings, and they're down about 5 or 6% now, skidding to a wider loss as they have lost more per share than expectations. Deliveries slightly down sequentially over the last quarter, down to 25,000. And like I said, Apple, we are expecting that event to come in at about 1 o'clock. It typically has been a bit of a sell the news type of event. We're expecting a few things here, highlighted by a new set of iPhones. There's expected to be a new watch, so watch out for Garmin, as that should be competing against their product, and several features and pricing should be a key for that as well. Shares of chip makers are under some pressure today as Taiwan Semiconductor has some bad news. Yeah, JP Morgan and analysts come out saying that several of their major clients have decreased their orders. This should have some of the chip makers on watch and under some pressure, but not as much as UiPath. One of Cathie Wood's flagship ARC Innovation names, 4% stake as a matter of fact. They were adding 33,000 shares in advance of their earnings. It was not the EPS that was the story. It was the poor guidance that has this down over 20% on the session. After the bell tonight, we get a little GameStop earnings, so that one's going to be in play as well. Not a heck of a lot of movement like its meme stock brethren yesterday, Bed Bath & Beyond, but we're expecting some fireworks after the close on GameStop. This and more to come as we have an action-packed market ahead for you today. As always, check out our free watch list every single day here. Scan the QR code below and join us at 8:30 for live trading at TraderTV.Live.